Well, today is the end of judging. As you can see in the background, all the cars are now being loaded into their transporters. We already have the red 65 in the front of the trailer, engines over the 3 axles on the side to keep all the weight over the wheels. The 67 blue L89, one mean sum of a car, passed its performance verification with flying colors. Grueling 6-page test of man and beast. A test that will literally separate the men from the boys. And look at the paint in this sunshine. And look at this engine. 67 L89, 427, 435, aluminum head, delivered to California brand new, one of 2, and the only one of 16 that came with the chrome valve covers. This car is the shining star in my collection. Took me 30 years to get this away from the previous owner in Houston, Texas. Fully documented, tank sticker, protecto plate, original bill of sale, and now performance verified by the NCRS at the regional meet in Las Vegas, April 2024, and now heading off to the National Convention in Hampton Beach, Virginia in August. More later.